Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your phone heating while charging. So at first you need to remember that this is completely normal for your device to heat when you're charging it using the fast charging mode, which is called here Smart Rapid mode. It's because the high power consumption, high power transfer means heat, and it's completely normal. If you are not, and if you charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area, you need to at first open settings and scroll down till you see the battery. Here scroll down again till you see here battery usage by application. Now here remember the first application. For example, here let us assume that this is, for example, Facebook. Scroll down, tap power saving settings, scroll all the way down, up battery management, and select the application here which is at the top. I mean at the top like in the previous list. Let it be, for example, as I said, Facebook, so here Block Blast. Or maybe let me, to be real, Facebook. Here, now make sure the restrict background activity is enabled. It's because background activity makes your phone sometimes heat, makes it laggy, and etc. etc. Unfortunately, you won't receive notifications, or you'll receive them delayed, but I think that the choice is yours actually. Apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to use the original certified charger on a cable. If you use, for example, a charger on a cable bought on Temu, you know, and this is just a protection of your device that this charger and phone won't explode in your bare hands. Apart from that, avoid using your phone while charging. This is completely normal. For example, if you play games, if you are gaming on your phone and you charge it meanwhile, your phone will heat, and this is normal, and this is unsafe for your battery, so don't do so. Apart from that, as you can see here, I don't have any case on this device here. But if you do, try to remove this case to improve the heat dissipation, and as I said in the very beginning of this video, charge in a cool and ventilated area. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.